take it all in. Just take it all in. We're about to talk about this, okay? Joining us right now with one of the coolest creations we've probably had on Day to Day is Carlos Fullenwider. He built this bike right here in front of us. How are you doing today, Carlos?
I'm doing fantastic. How are you?
I am doing good. This is exciting. I literally saw the team. They had to lift up the garage to get this bike in here. But you said, you know what? This is nothing new for you. I mean, you always are getting attention whenever you pull up with this bike.
Oh, absolutely.
Tell us all about it. Does it have a name? Let's dive into it.
So this bike started out as a crashed ZX6. So I actually bought the bike from a junkyard.
Oh, because it was an accident. That's what you're saying.
It was an accident,
oh,
yeah. And it didn't look anything like this. It was mangled up in pieces, and I just wanted to do something different. So what inspired me to build something like this was literally from my followers on social media.
So you already had a following before you even started this project a little bit?
Well, I was building my social media following, and that goes with, I'm gonna talk about trust the process.
Yes.
It's because I had a lot of people that were hating on me while I was building in the process, because there's a lot of doubt and a lot of people never seen something like this.
Yes,
so
yeah.
I wanted to bring it to reality.
Well, you had the vision. I mean, and it came to life, literally. Talking about, trust the process, how long from start to finish, did it take for you to complete this bike?
So this was a 6 months build. So it took me about 6 months from start to finish building this thing.
Wow, and the detail on it is incredible. I mean, it's a dragon?
It's a dragon.
It's a dragon,
It's
okay.
a dragon.
And a purple one at that, you guys. This is a purple dragon, my favorite color. He already said, the folks that tend to flock to it, they enjoy the color. So it looks great.
Yeah.
Why a dragon, if you don't mind me asking?
So the dragon really wasn't what I was going for in the initial. It was I was just making something, and I didn't really have a direction. And with the help of my supporters, they were like, oh, it looks like a dragon. I'm like, okay. Let's make it look like a dragon, Let's make it look like a dragon. So it actually made it fun for the viewers that were watching it, that was following me on social media. And I get 30 million views per month from this bike build alone.
From this bike, oh my gosh. And so this bike also, it's not just for show. I mean, it's got some awards that goes with its name. Tell us a little bit about that.
So we got invited down to Sturgis, which I don't know if you know much about motorcycles, but Harleys are normally what goes down to Sturgis and not sport bikes. So I got invited out to bring this bike to showcase it, and I actually won at one of the biggest prestigious shows in Sturgis in my class.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Now, but this is the other thing. We already talked a little bit. I was trying to get some details out of him. He was saying that, now this bike right here, it's what'd you call it, a trailer queen?
It's a trailer queen.
A trailer queen, so which means that you don't ride it as often on the roads. Like, it's not your day-to-day travel. But you know what? I can see why we want to keep it in mint condition. Keep winning those awards and everything. I gotta say, you've done a fantastic job. But you also said you wanted to talk about trust the process. That's your business?
Well, so my business is D's Nuts and Bolts Automotive.
Okay.
But trust the process is kind of like my slogan while I was building this. It's like everything in life. You got to trust the process, and sometimes we try to overthink or try to overdo things without following the right process.
Yes,
so
absolutely.
you use that in building and in day-to-day life.
Absolutely, day-to-day life. There you go, everybody. And again, because the important thing about that is everybody may not see the vision, but you had it.
Yes.
You have the vision. Now, do you think that you can walk us through some of this process? You told us a little bit. These are real spoons. You said inside of here.
So right here on all of the scales,
like
on the sides and stuff, and the front, these are all done out of plastic spoons. So plastic spoons at your local DG or Target, Walmart.
Dollar Tree, anything. Oh my goodness.
Took the heads off of them and then overlapped it with carbon fiber, so that's why it's staying here. And you can see some of the detail in it.
I'm telling you, like the way that you have this layered, it looks so good, you guys. Look at that. That is so incredible. And then, of course, we've even got the spikes. Can't have a dragon without some serious spikes on the front, or the horns, as we should say, the horns. So how did that come about? Anything special behind that?
The vision from that was like, I saw this wall ornament that was in the face of a dragon, and I just took it and cut it up, and I foamed the whole front end and carved it out, and gave it that look.
I love love it so much. What is the reaction that most people give you, whether you're at a show? You know what? I'm gonna ask even more specific. If you are just riding it somewhere, what's the reaction of people? Are they stopping you? They want a picture? Do they want to sit on it?
Yeah, all the above. And the mouth that's dropping was like, how? I don't know where to start. How could I build something like, I don't see how somebody could build something like this. But to me, it's natural, and I enjoy building.
Yes. Now, do you have any other bikes that like you said, you got this one from the junkyard. So is this something you want to continue, or is this the baby? This is the prize winner.
No,
you want to stick with this one?
Well, actually, this one's up for raffle. So I wanted to give someone the opportunity to have something that's rare.
Oh, wow.
So a rare piece, and actually I'm working on another build as we speak.
Really? Okay, can we get a couple of details? Look, is it going to be a red dragon, or are we going to go something completely different?
We're gonna go something completely different.
Okay,
yeah, yes,
all right.
Yeah.
How do you come up with these ideas, though?
Man, I think just my brain, I gravitate towards different.
Okay.
I don't like to do things that you would typically see. And I wanted to bring those images to life. So like when somebody would see a picture of this, they're like, oh, it's AI, it's AI.
Ooh.
I'm like, no.
Oh, no, sir. Oh, no, we put 6 months of work, and this is real. Yes, we can touch it, we can feel it, we can ride it if we want to. But you know, there's Trailer Queen here. So, all right. And I don't know if I asked you this. Is there a name? Have you named it yet? Or are you going to give like you said, it's up for auction.
Yeah.
Are you going to give the new owner an opportunity to grace it with the name, or do you already have one?
So the name was Toothless. And that's how it started out, as Toothless. However, it's a little more aggressive than Toothless, but I'll still go with it because that's what my supporters had said that we should call it. So it was it's really good because it feels like we all built it together.
Yes, just like the DreamWorks movie, How to Train a Dragon. You definitely trained this one. This is a nice ride. What, of course, is just your dream for your business? We all know that you have your business and you talk about entrepreneurship. What's the goal moving forward?
The goal is just to expand, just to get bigger and allow people to, especially building one-off machines. Like, I would love to take something on like that. I love the challenge.
Yes.
That challenge is like the biggest thing that I'm drawn to.
Yes.
But that's just my goal, and I can just visualize it and see something way bigger than what I can imagine.
Well, let me tell you, you like a challenge, and I can tell you with this one, you've achieved it. I think we've got a few seconds left. I'm gonna ask you probably something a lot of people ask you.
Okay.
Can I sit down?
Absolutely.
Come on,
absolutely.
Toothless, you gotta be nice to me now.
Absolutely.
This is probably the biggest bike I've ever gotten on right here. Oh, Lord.
You all right?
Oh, gosh. This feels nice, you guys. This feels really good. Now, look, don't ask me to ride it because I can't drive it. I can't do nothing for you. But this right here, it feels good, and I have full confidence in Toothless. Thank you so much, Carlos, for coming in today. What's this?
You got your screen.
Ooh.
You got Android Auto.
You know what? By the time we come back from break, I'm going to be taking off on the street. Okay? Believe me when I say that. Thank you so much, Carlos.